So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So we're going to be doing look number 3 using the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette in the style Wild and Free. So look number 1 is right now on your screen, and that was more of a green olivey smoky eye, and look number 2 was something which is a little more on the girlish side, which is basically a pink glittery eye. And so this is look number 3 that you're looking at on the screen right now, and make sure you check out the review which is linked above, and let's start off. So we're just going to start off by using the Vega eyelash curler, and I'm just going to give it about 7 to 8 pumps of it and make sure that I press and then I slightly turn my lash curler outwards to get a good curl. So once that's done, I'm just going to take one of my pencil brushes from Pro Arte, and I'm going to take that shade Ebony, and we're going to go right into our outer corner. So as this palette is not too pigmented as you noticed in the review, I'm mostly patting the colors just to get a better color payoff. So next up, we're just going to use this detail blender brush, and I'm just going to pick up that brown shade, and we're going to start to blend out the edges. And as you see, I just tap now and then I blend. So I tap on the edges and then I blend. So this actually helps to give you a much better color payoff because the palette isn't very pigmented. So as I keep going along the way and I blend the outer corner, we're going to slowly start to make small circular motions, and then I'm going to start to take it inwards towards the inner corner. So don't take it all the way till your inner corner, but just take it right above your crease. So once that's done, we're going to go back to the black shade and we're going to add it into our crease. So as I do this process, I just keep opening my eyes every now and then just to make sure the color is seen. So next up, we're going to use our Bougie Beauty brush, and make sure that you use my discount code when you're shopping for Bougie Beauty brushes on the website. So we're just going to use that shade Caramel, and we're going to go above the brown shade and then start to buff it out. So make sure that you layer these shades rather than just going with it one time just to get a good color intensity. So for our cut crease, you can use any concealer you want. Make sure that it's a liquid one, and we're going to use our Bougie Beauty cut crease brush, and I'm going to start from the inner corner and then I'm going to take it slightly higher than my crease because I have a bit of a hooded eye. So we're going to go back to that shade Wood, and this is a Kryolan brush, and I really don't know the name of this brush, but it's basically a flat shader brush. So we're just going to pack that color on the lid just after the black, so it just makes it a lot more easier to transition. So just keep patting and pressing on the color before you start to blend out the edges. So now we're going to take a brush which is slightly bigger than the previous one, and we're going to use that shade Butter, and we're going to press it all over the 1/3 of the lid. So first up, we're going to make sure that the color is well pressed on the concealer so that it adheres well, and then we're going to focus on blending it with the previous shade. So we're going to move on to our lower lash line, and I'm going to take that shade Ebony, and I'm going to go right very close to my lash line, and then I'm going to take it all the way towards the inner part. Make sure that you put in your time just to make sure the color looks a lot more intense, and then we're going to buff it out using Wood. So we're going to go back to that Bougie Beauty small blending brush, and then we're going to buff it out a little more. So as I mentioned in the review, this palette does not have a shimmer shade for inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to take any highlighter of mine and throw it in my inner corner. So as we're going to be using false lashes, I'm just going to use a little bit of the Sugar eyeliner, and I'm going to go very close to my lashes. This is not a wing liner. I'm just basically, adding a little definition to my eyes. So next up, we're going to use a little bit of glitter from Bombay Vanity. These are like really small chunks of glitter. So I'm just going to adhere those on top of my liner, and it's just to add a little bit of shine to your liner, and this is completely optional, but it just adds a little bit of jazz to your look. So now we're just going to use a little bit of mascara to coat our upper and our lower lashes, and I do about 2 to 3 coats of it, and then I throw on my false lashes. These are also from Bombay Vanity. So this completes look number 3 using the K-Beauty eyeshadow palette, and make sure you check out look number 1, 2 and the review of this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do check out other tutorials on my page, and I'm pretty sure that you will find something which is helpful and something that you love. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.